Okay guys, welcome back. What I'm gonna show you today is how to change the vacuum diaphragm from this HEI ignition from a Chevy style. This is put on a 302 engine, which is a Ford, but nothing here changes except the gears down here. So you have to order these for the specification for a Ford. So everything else, like on top of here or inside there, is the same principle, so it works the same. So right now what you're gonna do first is loosen the screws all around here, the cap. Take the cap off really gentle without forcing or moving anything. The next step is take off the rotor. This is the rotor. You loosen the bolts. There's two bolts right here, one here and one in the other side. So all you have to do is take it off really gentle. You don't have to move or force anything. Just put it in a safe place where you can find it later. And now what you're gonna do next is remove these two screws right here. All you have to do is remove them and pull this thing back really gentle. You don't have to take off anything else, just pull it back really easy, really gentle. And now all you have to do is try to get the angle to take this thing off without forcing anything. Just try your best to do it like really easy. If you need a screwdriver, just lift a little bit right here without forcing or breaking anything, but you can move that thing right there in the middle, and this is the way you take it off. You see, I already took it off. Okay, right now I got the two of them right here. This one right here on the left is the new one, and this one is the old one. So let's make a test here, which one is bad, which one is good. So suck in. What do you feel? Nothing, right? How about this one? You feel like some pressure, right? Yeah. Okay, you can suck out anything, right? Okay, so this is the new one. This one is good and this is bad. That's why I'm changing it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to put it back. Okay guys, let's put it back on. You're gonna put it back on the same way you took it off. Really easy, really gentle, without forcing anything. Just try to get the right angle. You see, that's the way it is. Now you put it back on the mounts where it was before and put the screws back on. Okay, now those two screws are on. Make sure those two screws are really tightened, because this thing makes some vibration, so it has to be really nice tight. Okay, you put the hose back on and you test it before you put everything back on. Okay, like this. You suck out with your mouth, and that thing should move like that. So that means it's good now. Okay, before you put the cap back on, make sure all the screws are on. So in this case, I remove 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything is nice. And then now you close with the cap on. Okay, now you connect the wire back on the ignition right here. What says battery right there, don't get confused. It has to say battery on top of it, so that's where the positive is going to. And then the hose you put it back on the carb like this. Remember, mechanic is not hard. All you have to do is to use logic. Remember, everything you take off, the same way you take it off, you put it back on. For me, that's the method I use for mechanic. Okay guys, everything should be good to go. Right now I'm gonna crank the car to see if it works really nice. So thank you for watching this video. And see you back soon. Thank you very much.